If you're tired of the old boring ringtones on your iPhone, you can always set any song as your iPhone ringtone. I'm going to show you two different options you have directly on your phone. The first option is open up a web browser like Safari or Chrome, and we're going to find somewhere to download a song. In my case, I usually use Pixabay because it's completely free and they're royalty-free songs to be able to download. So just tap on Pixabay here. And you'll be able to see at the top here, swipe over until you get to music. And now all you need to do is go through here. You can see 260,000 options you have to download songs to your phone. So whenever you tap the play button and you like a song, just tap on the download button here a couple times and choose download. So essentially what you're going to do is download this song to your phone, and then let's set it as a ringtone. So let's hop out of here, swipe down on your iPhone, and then just type in Files and tap on the Files app. Essentially, when you download something on your iPhone, it dumps it usually into the Downloads folder on your iPhone. If you're not necessarily seeing it, just tap on Browse a couple times at the bottom right, and then tap on iPhone, and then Downloads. And you'll be able to see at the top left there is the song that I just downloaded. So let's set this as a ringtone. However, keep in mind there is a 30-second maximum for any ringtone. And if that song is longer than 30 seconds, you will need to trim it down using a third-party app. So essentially, you're going to press and hold on that song. And you'll be able to see on here lots of information. Let's tap on the share option at the top right. And now you can see at the bottom right is use as ringtone. Now again, keep in mind you might need to trim this down, but when we tap on use as ringtone, it will essentially add it as an option in the ringtone. You can see it says, again, it needs to be under 30 seconds. So if this song is too long, all you need to do is go to the App Store and then just tap on search and just search for audio trimmer. And there are a bunch of free audio trimmer apps, essentially, that will trim that down to under 30 seconds. That's the first option. However, there's another option to be able to download them directly into the Settings app of your phone. So open up the Settings app, and then from here, scroll down until you get to Sounds and Haptics. And then just tap on ringtone. This is where it'll show you all of the default ringtones. However, we can always use the tone store. This isn't necessarily free, but it's quick and easy. And if you're willing to pay a few bucks, then you can immediately do it without any hassle. So tap on Tone Store here, and there you can see is a number of different hot songs by a number of different artists. Some of them are $129, some of them might be 99 cents, and you can go through here and find the song that you want and then essentially set that as your ringtone. When you do find the song that you want, all you need to do is just tap on that. And then you can see set as default ringtone or text tone, or you can assign it to a specific contact. Again, it usually costs about $1 or $1.29 to be able to download these songs. And then you have them free for life on your iPhone after paying it initially. I hope this helps. I know your time is busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.